Is mummy great or daddy great? Oh, I'm not at all satisfied. I'm not going to leave you until you say, raise your hands. Is mummy great or daddy great? Okay, let us do one thing. I'm going to give you a chance. Raise hands who says mummy is great. Raise your hands, mummy great. Mummy great. I'm not at all satisfied. I can't see any hands here. I'm not seeing any hands here. I can't see any hands rising from this side. No. I'm not at all satisfied. Who says the father is great?
To favor my mother. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Nazira. I'm going to favor my father. And a very good morning to all wonderful people. I'm going to update my friend Reshma. I'm going to favor my father. My mother, my love. My father, my bride. Mother introduces you to the world. Father introduces to the world to you. Mother gives you life. Father gives you living. Mother teaches you how to talk. Father teaches you how to walk in the dark. Mother protected you from afar. Father teaches you how to get up from afar. Mother secured you in her womb for 9 months. Father was taking care of your mother all those 9 months. Mother's whole heaven for us beneath her feet. Father is one of the gate to the heaven. It is the mother who wakes up first when her child cries out of bed at night. Mother can stay away from her own parents, but cannot imagine to be separated from her children. Mother can bear enormous pain while giving birth to a child, but cannot see a tear in the eyes of her children. If mother dies first, father marries another woman for support. If father dies first, mother remains widow and lives all her life alone, remembering her husband. Would you allow me to say please for a while? Yes, you may. Every other father is making for all a better man. Every sweat is preparing for comfort. Every pain is earning for future and career. I'm really not able to understand how I should convince you. Every word you have spoken about father has a reality in them. I cannot deny and I never deny any of your statements. I understand your emotions and I do respect my father and I do love my father. But I can convince you the greatness of mother or father in the light of Islam. Once a man came to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked, Ya Rasulullah, who among the people deserve maximum respect? I mean, in terms of love and attachment. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, your mother. That man asked, then whom? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, your mother. That man asked again, then whom? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, your mother. That man asked again, then whom? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then your father. My dear friend, that what mentioned to you is hadith. It's taken from the Bukhari Sharif. And let me tell you, would you hold a moment please? I give up. I stop my debater. I cannot utter a single word any further. Now we mention that the hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him, I'm convinced wholeheartedly that the importance of mother or father is 3 times greater. And I thank you for convincing me, and I declare that you have won the debate. Well, my dear friend, it is not the matter, the debate or victory. In fact, I would say the one who admits the fact, the one who admits the truth, is a wise person to kept the emotions aside and have given up. Is shown the respect you have for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And I'm sure in the eyes of Allah, you are the richest person today. We shall be a good friend? Yes. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.